Using a debit card in the Apple Store is a convenient and secure way to make purchases. To get started, ensure your debit card is compatible with Apple Pay and has sufficient funds. First, locate the Apple Store you want to visit and check their operating hours. Upon arrival, browse the various products and services available, including iPhones, Macs, and accessories. When you have selected the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout counter. At the checkout counter, let the Apple representative know that you want to pay with your debit card. They will then ring up your purchases and provide you with the total cost you can choose to pay, using your physical debit card or through Apple Pay on your device. If you prefer to use your physical debit card, simply insert or swipe your card into the payment terminal and follow the prompts to enter your PIN and complete the transaction. If you prefer to use Apple Pay, open the Wallet app on your device, select your debit card, and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Once the payment is processed, the Apple representative will provide you with a receipt and your purchased items. Be sure to review your receipt to ensure everything is correct and keep it for your records. It is also important to note that some debit cards may have daily spending limits or require a PIN for certain transactions. Be aware of these limitations to avoid any issues during checkout. Additionally, keep your debit card and device secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you can easily use your debit card to make purchases in the Apple Store. Remember to always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to your bank immediately. Using a debit card in the Apple Store is a convenient and secure way to shop for your favorite Apple products.